In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a Google Forms questionnaire or survey. Google Forms is a really simple and powerful tool that lets you create surveys, questionnaires, quizzes, or feedback forms with multiple types of questions, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. First of all, go ahead and open up Google on your browser. From here, simply search for Google Forms. There are a few different ways to access it, but this is the easiest method. Usually Google Forms will be the very first result, so just click on that. Once you're on the Google Forms page, you'll see an option at the top to start a new form. You can either create a form from a blank document or choose from one of the available templates. Templates can be useful, but if you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a blank form because it's much easier to customize exactly the way you want. You'll also see your recent forms displayed below, so if you've created a form before and want to edit it again later, you can easily access it from here. Now, click on blank to create a new form. This will open up a new window where you can begin building your questionnaire. The first thing you should do is give your form a title. For example, I'll name mine Questionnaire. Just below the title, you also have the option to add a form description. This is optional, but it's a good place to explain what the survey is about, so I'll type something like, for YouTube video, as a description. With that done, you can now start adding questions to your form. By default, Google Forms will already give you one question to begin with. You can click on it and type your question. For example, let's say the first question is asking for gender. You can type gender as the question. And since this is a question with predefined answers, you'll want to select multiple choice as the question type. Now, you can start adding options. For example, option 1 could be male, option 2 could be female, and you can also add another option like other if you want. Once you've added all your options, you can decide whether this question is required or optional. By default, the required toggle is turned on, and I recommend keeping it on, so people don't skip important questions when filling out your survey. Next, let's add another question. To do that, click on the plus icon on the right-hand side. This will create a new question below. For this one, let's say you want to collect an email address. You can change the question type to short answer, and then type something like email address as the question. You can continue adding more questions in the same way by clicking the plus icon. Google Forms gives you a lot of flexibility here. You can choose different question types, such as short answer, paragraph for long responses, checkboxes, drop-downs, multiple choice grids, and more. For example, if you want respondents to explain something in detail, you can choose the paragraph option and type a question like, explain your process in detail. This allows people to write longer responses. Now, one thing you might notice is that sometimes Google Forms automatically adds a default email collection question at the top that you can't move or delete. If that happens and you don't want to collect emails, you can fix this by going into the settings. Click on the settings icon at the top, then go to the defaults or general section, and look for the option that says collect email addresses. You can change this setting to do not collect if you don't want emails, or keep it enabled if you do want to collect them. Once you adjust this, your form will look cleaner and match exactly what you want. After you've added all of your questions, you can customize the look of your form. Click on the Customize Theme icon in the top right corner. From here, you can change the colors, choose different fonts, and even add a header image to make your questionnaire look more professional and visually appealing. When people start filling out your form, you can view their responses by clicking on the Responses tab at the top. All submitted answers will appear here, and you can even link the responses to a Google Sheet if you want to analyze the data more easily. Finally, to share your questionnaire or survey, click on the Send button in the top right corner. From here, you can send it directly via email, or you can click on the link icon to generate a shareable link. You also have the option to shorten the URL, which makes it easier to copy and share. Once someone opens that link, they'll be taken straight to your questionnaire, where they can fill it out and submit their responses. And that's it. That's how you can create a Google Forms survey or questionnaire from start to finish.